Helen from Paving Stones Direct. I'm here to talk to you about our Storm Grey porcelain. The Storm Grey has a similar look to concrete, so if you are wanting to create a sleek and modern patio in your garden, then this is the perfect product. It's available in a range of sizes, including 800 by 800, 600 by 900 and 1200 by 600. You can also order it in your exact metre square requirements. The slightly rough texture of the product ensures it is anti-slip even when wet. It also has a high natural stain resistance, making it suitable for families and pets. If you have any questions regarding our Storm Grey porcelain or any of our other products, please contact us using the information on screen. If you want to take a close look at our products, we have samples available to order across our entire product range, which are refundable once your paving order has been placed. We also have the latest brochure for 2022 and 2023 available to order. Thanks for watching.